Right, I was going to do a quick review. I had a few tarantulas from Tartan Traders. I don't know I'm going to do this one-handed though. Hang on. Let's cut it open. Loads of packaging in there, look. Don't know what the quality is going to be like. But that one looks alright. And that one's tiny and fine. And looks alright. A bit bigger that one. And fine. Yeah. That one looks like it's got its leg stuck or something. Just going to open that one a sec. Right, turns out its legs wasn't trapped in the lid, but there was actually a few missing. And after that I went on to do my own version of Nick's shit carpet and couldn't find the spider, it jumped in my shorts. Right, so yeah, I'm going to just do a little review on the actual spiders themselves. I've rehoused them all. Put them in little tubs. Just find the rest of them. Them two. I think there's another one. Yeah, another one here. All alive, all fine. They've all had something to eat as well, which is good. Bit awkward these lids with one hand. Camera's a bit shit, but just see it in the corner there. Which one's that? Darlingy. This is the Kirakan. Which I think, is it? No, it's not this one. Yeah, that one's webbed up its little hide already. In fact, there was another cricket in there as well. That's nailed it. This is the Fimbriatus. Ah, there it is. This is made of web at this side after I made it a nice, neat burrow. Bit of cricket there as well. Yep, it's fine. That one I'm not even going to try and pronounce. Don't know if you can see it. I might get a picture of it after. We'll put it in the description. But I guarantee when you say it, you'll sound like a wizard. The soil's just falling in. And that one is absolutely tiny. You're never going to be able to see it on here. It's too small. Chromatus. Another tiny one. It's using a little hole. Can't see it. Dead cricket there. It's not eating that. Take that out. Philippine. I can never say it without laughing. Philippines. Bit awkward these again. Can't see it, but it's just in there. Yep, it's eating the cricket too. Yeah, so all healthy. All 6 of those delivered. 25 quid. I don't know any other site or any other seller that would do that many spiders for that price delivered. So yeah, really good deal. I'll put his Facebook page in the link in the description at the bottom for anyone who hasn't got it already. Quite handy, these cricket tubs. They're the really thick ones, not the shit thin ones. So you can stack them. I'm a shit cameraman as well, by the way. May as well show you some others while I'm here. Just rehoused this one. I'm going to upload a video actually because he kept jumping off my hand. Iridia palmahirstrum. Little Avic latte. Later, whatever they pronounce it. Oh, I bought today as well. Check this out. Label maker. No more shitty handwriting. And sellotape. That's actually quite cool. I was a bit disappointed though. I thought it'd be like a white background, but it's see-through. There you go. Haitian brown. The camera quality really is shit on these iPhones, isn't it? Armenia. I had a male in there not too long ago, and he became lunch. Chili rose. Sea Marshally. Fasciatum. There's a big male sturmy in there. Can't really see him. If anyone's got a female, let me know. Yeah, that's about it. There'll be another review coming soon. There'll be a proper unboxing though. As the spider's a bit bigger, so it won't be jumping and running under my shorts.